While we're here, let's take a minute to plug this country clipper machine because we're both country clipper lovers. The joystick steering, is this a gimmick or is this the real deal, mate?
It is like, it's so good. I love it.
It's better than any lap bar.
Yeah, 100%. And I'm not a big fan of the standards. I know a lot of people love them, but I'm more of a sit down kind of guy. I got a lot of, pretty smooth, even places I get to mow. And
yep.
This is my kind of machine. It's perfect. It's not even. I think it's got about 230 hours on it, and
yep,
never had an issue.
And flipping up the deck, and we're not going to do it now, but
yeah, the 30-second deck flip, that's a big bonus.
Getting the gurney under there and cleaning under the deck and sharpening your blades is really simple.
Yep. And teaming it up with the advanced chute and the Catch Pro as well, like it's just such a good all-rounder. It's got the 18 horsepower Kawasaki.
Yep.
Pumps. Yeah, like I said, it's just never given me any issues. It's such a good machine.
And
always gives a super cute cut too.
So I mean, these machines are they're excellent machines, but they're just not as popular as some of the other bigger brands out there.
No, which I find really strange with the joystick controls. I get just as much control with that as I do with a lap bar or something like that.
Yeah, I mean, my thought process is that you actually spin the wheels less when you're doing your actual zero turns because you don't have the hydros fighting each other with your hands, basically operator error. I mean, you just got a point and go system.
And it's good, you've got one hand free if you're doing things like this. We've got a lot of higher trees, but if you're going underneath trees, you can use one hand to push the branches out of the way. You're not getting whipped in the face. You can hold beer.
Yeah. Yeah, drinking on the job, Yeah, I mean, look, before I had my stand on, it was great having that one hand free. Send a text, move trees out the way. So it's good. All right, well, thanks, BJ. Thanks for the